Subscribe to Boost Up Station if you haven't. And today we are going to disable trackers and loggers from any Android mobile to protect human privacy. So let us install this app called App Warden. And after the installation is done, you have to open it up. Now go to these three dots here and click on settings. And now if you want to get the statistics of system apps, then you can choose this option. This will let you know which are the trackers and loggers of system apps also. Let us go back and click on scan now from here. Let it scan. Now it is scanning up all of the system as well as user apps. It is just about to finish now and scan has been successfully completed. Let's click on view report. And here you see that we have 379 apps and 50 trackers, and it took around 8 minutes to get the statistics. You click on loggers, you can see only 2 loggers are there. Here is what we have, the apps. You click on trackers, you can see a lot of are there with the colored symbol marked. The bottom you can see, if you go to Google Analytics, we have 12 apps. Here they are. Similarly, you can check for all of the apps by clicking on it on this pie chart circular. And if you want to check for a particular app, then click on apps. Just find the app for which you want to check the trackers and loggers. If I want to go for WhatsApp, this permission is required by Warden. So let us grant it. Click on Warden here and click on permit access. Now go back to the app. And if you click on trackers for the WhatsApp, it shows only one. Loggers, no loggers we have. Now, if you want to disable all those trackers we have got here, you need root access for that. So let us provide this app root access. Here is my Magisk Manager. I'll be giving the root access to this app, Warden, here. Authenticate. Now I will open Warden back. Now it says Warden has granted super users rights. Now I just want to disable all of the trackers and loggers at once. So I go to settings here and make sure this option is turned off. Include system apps in the new kit section, because it may break some of the system apps and you may not be able to get the access to your Android device. So it should be turned off for now. And if you want to disable the trackers for system apps, if you have any, then you just go to that particular app and disable there. Go back and click on lab from here. Allow it access to media files. Now you click on new kit. And here you get this option also, want to denew kit. So it will re-enable all of the trackers when you have disabled all of them earlier. This is an experimental feature, so you are only responsible for this. I will be showing you by doing it. Click on proceed. Now in the notification bar, you can see that it is disabling all of the trackers and loggers for all user apps only. As far as I have used it, there have been no problems encountered yet. So it works great by disabling all of the trackers and loggers. It does protects our privacy. And if you want to disable for a particular app, just go back and click on apps from here. Now all of the user apps are listed here. You can click on filters, and if you want to include the system apps, check this option and click on apply. Now it will show you all of the system apps. Let's click on drive here and click on trackers. And here you see that we have one tracker. Click on components from here and click on disable all. It will disable all of the trackers and loggers. Perfect. If you go components again, you can see that all of them are disabled, right? So that way you can disable for a particular app also. So please subscribe to Boost Up Station, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.